In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Meta Facebook pixel on Instapage. By the end, you'll have conversion tracking set up so you can measure results and optimize your ads with confidence. First, head to Meta Events Manager inside your Meta business account. This is where your pixels live. If you already have a pixel, you're set. If not, create a new one. It only takes a moment. Once the pixel exists, copy the pixel ID. That's the numeric string associated with your pixel. You don't need any code snippets for this workflow, just that ID. Keep it handy, because we'll paste it into Instapage in a moment. Next, switch over to your Instapage dashboard and find the landing page where you want tracking. Click the page name to open its settings in a slide-out panel on the right. If you manage multiple pages, double-check you've selected the correct one to avoid tracking the wrong destination. Inside the slide-out, look for Integrations. Click it, then choose Marketing Tags and Pixels. You'll see an option labeled Facebook Pixel, which may also appear as Meta Pixel depending on the interface version. It's the same thing, so go ahead and select it. You'll now see a field for your Facebook Pixel ID. Paste in the Meta Pixel ID you copied earlier. It's important to paste only the numeric ID. Do not paste the full script or any code snippet. Also make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the number. Even a stray space can interrupt tracking and lead to missing data. If anything pre-populated in that field, replace it with your correct ID so everything maps to the right pixel. When that looks good, click Save. This stores your integration. To make your changes live for visitors, publish the page as well. Publishing ensures the pixel loads on the live URL where your traffic is going. After you publish, give it a little time for data to start flowing back into Events Manager. It's normal for reporting to take a few minutes to appear, especially on a newly connected page. That's it. You went to Events Manager, created or located your pixel, copied the numeric pixel ID, opened your Instapage page settings, navigated to Integrations and Marketing Tags and Pixels, selected the Facebook or Meta Pixel option, pasted the ID without extra spaces, then saved and published. With that, your Instapage landing page is connected to your Meta Pixel and you're ready to track performance and make smarter optimization decisions.